So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in the text and markdown block inside of Notion. So if you have some content stored on a text file, then you can easily go ahead and import it out onto Notion. So to do that, over here, you can type in / on your keyboard and then simply go ahead and type in text right here. And you can see that text and markdown is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, it opens up the option right here to import out a text file. So what you can do from over here is you can go ahead and scroll down and choose a text file that you have just like this. Once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and click on open right here just like this, and it loads up the text content right here as a page. So you can see that it created a page, and if you were to click on it, then this is what you have right here. And then you can simply go ahead and then, let's say for example, add in cover and so forth, and then work around as a regular note for it or a regular page as you want. So that is how you can utilize the text and markdown block inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.